In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a resume in Canva. We'll go through the process from start to finish in a simple and practical way, so by the end, you'll have a polished resume ready to download and use. Canva makes this process much easier, especially if you want a professional-looking design without needing advanced design skills. First, open Canva and click on Create a Design. This is where you'll begin a new project. If you already have Canva open, you can usually find this option right on the home screen. Once you click it, Canva will give you different ways to start building your document. Next, search for resume and choose a format that fits what you need. Typing resume into the search bar will bring up a range of resume design options. You may see different sizes and styles, but the goal here is to pick a format that works well for professional use and is easy to read. A clean structure is usually the best choice, especially if you want your information to stand out clearly. After that, select a template or start with a blank design. If you want a faster option, a template can save time and give you a strong visual starting point. If you prefer full control over the design, you can begin with a blank layout and build everything yourself. Either option works, so choose the one that feels most comfortable for your workflow. Now it's time to add your information, including your name, contact details, skills and experience. Replace the sample text in the template with your own content and make sure everything is accurate and up to date. Keep your writing clear and professional. Your name should stand out, while your experience and skills should be easy for someone to scan quickly. If you're using contact details, double-check them before moving on so there are no errors in the final version. Once your content is in place, customize the layout, fonts and colors to match your style. This is where you can make the resume feel more personal while still keeping it professional. Try not to overdo decorative elements. A simple font, balanced spacing, and consistent colors usually create the best result. The goal is to make the resume look polished and easy to read, not crowded or distracting. When you're finished, click Download. PDF is recommended because it keeps your formatting consistent and is widely accepted when submitting resumes. Before downloading, take one final look over the document to catch any spelling, alignment, or spacing issues. Then save your file and your resume is ready to use.